Wow! I like your haircut, babe. Ang ganda ng haircut ni babe. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh, guys. Oh.
Very sharp.
Very nice haircut. You look good always, babe. I like it.
That looks yummy. It's mouth-watering.
It's really good.
Don't do that again. Don't do that. Yummy.
It's authentic. It's like a traditional, like it was cooked in the Philippines. So I just want to eat all of it. No lie though, it actually does remind me of the Philippines. Yeah. It is really tasty.
There is something to be said about how you feel the room.
Hello guys, magandang hapon sa inyo. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Bali, Friday na dito ng hapon. Biyernes ngayon, bali 2:30 na. Naisipan ko lang mag-vlog kasi gagawa ako ng asado guys for dinner. So naisip ko i-vlog ko nga to. Sa totoo lang, tinatamad akong mag-video ngayon. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. Nasisipon kasi ako Kaya lang, sayang naman yung beef namin na nandito. Kailangan lutuin ko na to ngayon. Yan. Kompleto naman ako ng ingredients. Tapos meron akong frozen na beef din. Binabad ko muna sa tubig. Pwede ko naman tong defroze sa microwave. Kaya lang baka masyadong masobrahan ko naman tumigas. So yun, ito kasing isa na to, itong beef na to, may gagawin ako ibang luto dito medyo kukulangin to, sayang naman yung nasa freezer namin, medyo matagal na din yung nakalagay sa freezer, so mapagsama na magawang asado, kaya lang magkaiba sila ng cut. So yun nga, kaya inisa-isipan ko, video ko nga to, sabi ko total Filipino food to. Isa pa favorite ni Adrian itong na to, paborito ni Afam itong asado. Hugasan natin. So alam nyo na guys, sa mga dating nanonood sa akin, alam nila na pag Friday aming movie night. Aming movie night pag Friday. Tsaka natutuwa kaming ngayong Friday na to kasi half term nila Rio sa school, kaya nakakatuwa. So paano kaya ang gagawin ko dito? Kasi ito na to tinanong pa yung viewer. Itong na to medyo yung cut niya, medyo maliliit. Ito naman malalaki. Tingnan nyo guys, Ang ganda talagang gawing asado. Kaya lang, liliitan ko na lang kasi yung isa maliit para madali na lang ding maluto. Pero wag naman natin masyadong gawing maliit para masarap naman. Bali, Biyernes dito Friday. At 1 week na walang pasok ang mga bata. Nag-aaya si Rio na magpunta kami sa London. Abangan nyo guys ang ibang mga ganap namin sa mga susunod na araw. Huwag ko nga tanggalin yung fats kasi masyadong lean yung walang masyadong fats yung isa So yun nga, wala ako sa mood kaninang magluto nito. Naisip ko sayang naman yung beef namin, meron pala akong dapat lutuin na talaga. Tapos itong isa, ayan ang liliit ang hiwa. Gasan din natin. Yung isa na to matagal palang maluto. Yung isang diced beef na to matagal maluto, nakalagay 4 hours. My goodness, 4 hours slow cook. Tingnan natin. Magiging 4 hours nga to. Maya-maya lang, gutom na tong mga kasama ko. Wash muna natin. Ang dami kong hinugasang mga Tupperware dito, mga pinaglagyan ng prutas. So, ayan guys, ito yung lemon. Ang bango. Pero mas maganda sana kung kalamansi. Walang kalamansi dito, mahirap makabili. But anyway, itong lemon, masarap din naman. Yan, lagyan natin ng lemon. Tapos, lagyan din natin ng toyo. So guys, iba-iba yung siguro yung version natin ng pagluto ng ng asado. Pero ito ang natutunan ko kay Madeir. Ganyan kami magkakapatid magluto ng asado. Masarap si nanay ko magluto nito tsaka yung ate ko. Ang sarap-sarap. Paborito ni Adrian yan. So haluin, ligyan muna natin to nito. Ayan. Tsaka haluin natin. Malinis yung kamay ko. Lagi ako nag-ugas. Yun, dati nag-gloves ako. Nakakalimutan ko mag-order. Kasi pag may bawang to, matagal matanggal sa amoy ng kamay eh. Pero hindi ko na nilagyan ng bawang. Mamaya na lang pag-isa. Yan, babad ko muna siya. Ayan. Yung iba nakita nyo, ang liliit oh. Ito naman, yung mga hiniwa kong malalaki, nilakihan ko. Pero yung malalaki na yan, madaling lumambot kesa dito sa maliliit. Ibang parte kasi ng baka yung maliliit na to eh. Parang pangmatagal ng to. Parang aabutin yata ako ng Pasko para lumambot to. So, ito nga guys, hinihiwa ko na tong patatas. Lakihan natin yung hiwa para hindi madurog. Pero pipirito ko na to, tsaka ilalagay ko na lang syempre pagluto na. Kanina, ang lamig. Alam nyo ba, tinago ko na yung mga pang winter naming damit kay Riona. Tapos nilabas ko na yung mga pang summer niya. Tsaka yung mga pantulog namin na, lalo na ako, yung mga sinusuot ko na na makakapal. Tapos kasi ilang araw na uminit. Tapos biglang lumamig, no? Ilang araw ding lumamig. Pagkatapos ng barbecue namin, kinabukasan lumamig na. Ano ba yan? Kagabi nga, ang kapal na naman ng suot ko. Hinalukay ko na naman sa baul yung mga pinagtatago ko na makakapal. Kasi nga, lamigin ako. Pero yung bintana namin, nabubuksan na namin. Nakabukas yung kagabi nung natulog kami. Pag winter tsaka autumn, hindi namin nabubuksan yun. Binubuksan ko lang para pag naglilinis ako, pag nakapasok yung hangin, tsaka pag yung, kasi yung may may toilet kami, tsaka shower doon sa bedroom namin ni Adrian. So, syempre, para hindi nakukulo masyado, hindi yung condensation ba ng ng bathroom, hindi siya so binubuksan ko siya pagka autumn or winter. Pero hindi katulad ngayon na medyo painit na nga, papunta na kami sa summer. Yung laging bukas yung bintana namin sa bedroom, kahit dito. Pero syempre may time na malamig. Kanina nga ang lamig-lamig eh. Sabi ko, maliligo ba ako? Napakalamig kanina. So, buti ngayon, uminit-init na siya. So, yung carrots ko, binalatan ko na, nilagay ko dito. Hinugasan ko. Binabad ko ng sandali sa sa may suka na tubig. Tsaka binalatan ko. Ayan, oh. Itinatagal niya sa ref. Ang mga gusto kong moving pinanood, yung mga zombie, yung mga shark, gano'n. Pinagtatawanan ako ni Adrian. Yung mga parang end of the world, gano'n. Ayaw niya ng mga ganun. Gusto niya yung mga action. So, guys, ito ang aking yan. Ang laki ng dito, oh. Laki ng onion namin. Sayang naman kapag minsan hindi nagagamit yung kabiyak. Baka bukas hindi ko naman magagamit to. Lagay na natin lahat. Saka gusto ko yung red onion. Hello, guys. Say hi to my fans, babe.
Hello, fans.
Not my fans, your fans.
What are you cooking? I asked for caldereta.
You're asking for caldereta. Oh, gusto niya kumain ng ang request niya, caldereta talaga. Why I did not cook caldereta tonight? Why?
Because of your delicate tummy.
Bawal kasi sa akin yung spicy tsaka yung mga vinegar na ma-under yung sikmura ko. Yeah, yung caldereta kasi gusto nila maanghang. Hindi ako makakain ng maanghang ngayon kasi ilang araw na umaandar ang aking tiyan. Kaya nga, isang araw nilalagnat ako, guys, Yung tiyan ko kasi, ngayon. So, what is it? This is one of your favorite. The first time you tried it, for you, it is the best.
Yeah?
So,
I'm looking forward to it, especially with the beef.
Asado, oh yeah, asado and chicken is nice. So, yun guys, magluluto na ako. And then, but I cannot make it until 4. This will be like until 5, babe. Because the slow cooking process.
Yeah, well, we'll be back later than that. So we'll go to the gym and eat it afterwards.
Yes.
So I'm going to be back here about 5:15. And then we're going to go to the gym. So we probably won't be eating until like 6:30.
Oh, good.
Right?
You mean 5:30?
6:30.
6:30?
6:30.
Good. I had so many times. Because the more it cooks slowly, the more it's nice. Yeah. Yun, pupunta siya sa gym eh, tsaka magpapagupit siya. Si Riona nasa school pa. Nasa school pa siya. So guys, ito ang aking mga recipe dito guys. O, eto. Ang daming sibuyas. Sayang naman kasi kung aanin ko pag ginamit ko na lahat para kumpleto. Carrots, tsaka bell peppers, tsaka itong lalaki ng hiwa ako ng ano, para di naman madurog ng patatas. At tapos ito yung beef. At ayan, ang garlic o bawang. Frozen kasi yan, kaya ganyan eh. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng konting tomato puree at konting tomato sauce. Pang bolognese to eh. Kaso wala kaming ano yung simpleng tomato sauce, kaya ito lang gagamitin ko. So, yan guys, ang aking recipe. Konti lang, ayan. At lagyan natin ng tomato sauce. Para habang lumalambot siya. Ang hina lang ng ano ko, stove. Ano ba ito? Wala pa naman si Adrian dito. Hindi ko mabuksan to. Ayan. Bango. Ayoko nang ibuhos lahat to kasi maasim to. Kailangan konti lang. Madali namang habulan kapag kulang pa. Ayan. Sarap nitong ano na to. Medyo maasim. Ay, tumilampsi ka dyan. Naka-white pa naman akong ano. Ayan. Meron siyang kamatis na, guys. Buong kamatis. So, guys, hinihintay ko lang maluto yung ano, yung asado. Mamaya lang, andyan na si Adrian. Hinihintay ko lang maluto yung asado. Tingnan natin yung reaction niya mamaya, guys. Pero paborito naman niya yan. Siguradong magugustuhan niya. Nagpapasalamat pala ako doon sa bago naming subscribers. Nakakatuwa. Biglang, ano, yung may isang video kami na, ano, dumaming bigla ang aming subscribers. Nakakatuwa. Sana laging ganun. Salamat sa inyo at sa mga dati ding mga subscribers ko na laging nadidiyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At yun. God bless sa inyo. Hindi pa tapos yung video ko, ha. Panoorin nyo. Panantayin natin si Adrian tsaka si Rion na mamaya pagkain. Kasi siguradong ano, baka mamaya mauna na naman akong kumain sa kanila. Lagi akong gutom. Meron ako ditong banana. May shadow na siyang hinog. Panay sabi niya sa akin na bulok na daw itong banana. Inisip ko gagawin ko sanang ano, banana cake. O kaya banana yung ano, muffins. Sayang naman. Pag gantong ano, masarap ang pagkahinog nito eh. Yung balat lang niya yung ano, yung parang, what is it? Madart. Oh, you arrived now. Wow, I like your haircut, babe. Ang ganda ng haircut ni babe. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh guys, oh.
Very sharp.
Very nice haircut. You look good always, babe. I like it. Oh, who are you going to courting? Why do you look like you're a single man with your haircut? Really nice. I always like it every time you had a nice haircut. Nice.
I'm gonna get ready and go to the gym.
You need to put nice reaction with my food.
I will do.
Okay?
Like this.
Don't do that. Yun, sabi ko sa kanya, mag-react siya sa ano ko. Napaka-supportive niya. Minsan wala siya sa mood na inaaya ko siya na, may magluluto ako. Gusto mo din naman tong asado, diba? I-film kita, sasama kita. Minsan naman game na game siya. May time na pag sobrang busy siya sa work, yun. Pag iniisip niya yung trabaho niya, yun, talagang minsan tahimik siya. Pero yun, kadalasan naman nasa mood siya na ano, na, o tara, pag-film ka ba, sasama ako sa ano mo, sa vlog mo. Okay.
Wow, this looks delicious, Ma.
Yeah. Hey, where is my phone?
That looks yummy.
Yeah, that's a big
It's
part.
mouth-watering.
It's so tender.
Well,
I keep saying earlier, it's so soft. It's so tender. What can you say now?
It's really good.
Wow. Wow, babe, what can you say?
It's really.
Don't do that again. Don't do that.
It's not realistic, I'm afraid.
yeah, it's delicious, darling. I just want to eat more of it.
Okay.
Want some of
Yummy.
the sauce?
Yummy,
I
of
forgot
course.
this is what asado tastes like.
Because I do not make it often, you know.
Beef. For a long
beef.
time.
Yummy.
It's authentic.
What do you mean
I
authentic?
confused it with menudo.
Menudo is not. I did not cook menudo here yet. Soon I will. So you will remember what menudo like.
It's like a traditional, like it was cooked in the Philippines. So does that mean I have to watch the video to see what the recipe is?
What do you mean?
Well, I don't know what the recipe is. Did you do it in the video?
Oh yeah, I did. So you will do it for me when I'm not feeling well, and then you should cook it for me, babe. That's right.
You have to lie.
Rihanna can cook it.
The beef with it. It's better than chicken. Really better than chicken.
Yeah.
It's so
I'm
tender,
gonna have
right?
this big bit as well.
It's so tender.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put loads of this sauce on. I just want to eat all of it.
All of it.
Yeah.
Well, there are more in the pan.
Leave some for me.
Leave some for mommy. Mommy, I will not eat much. You know me, when beef, I don't eat a lot of beef.
I love beef.
But I will eat loads of rice and then loads of sauce. Mga sauce lang ako, tsaka konting beef, guys, pero maraming kanin.
I want the sauce.
No lie though, it actually does remind me of the Philippines.
No lie.
It does.
It's really tasty, right?
It is really tasty. You should have some.
Okay, babe?
Come to our house and have some.
People will probably be like, oh, the way he's got his arms on the table is really a bad habit.
Yeah.
But
But
what they don't know is that I'm holding myself up because I'm in agony.
yeah, you are very tired.
Oh, my back's hurting.
Oh, pagod siya, guys, eh. Nag-gym sila. What did you do again in the gym? That's why you are tired.
Something naughty.
Oh, it's your fault. If you are aching tomorrow in the coming few days, I will get really angry. If we cannot go out, this weekend,
You'll have to look after me.
no.
What would you make? What would you get made in the Philippines if you weren't very well the next day?
I will make you sopa, so you don't eat broth. I will make you sotangon. You don't like sotangon, right? Next time, if you do that, no nice foods again. Yum, yum, yum.
Delicious. Did you put it in the slow cooker or not?
No, only there. Very, very slow. That's the technique, guys. Cook it very, very slow. Longer. Be patient. Okay, guys, I will eat now before Adrian and Riona finish this all. So, guys, kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Lalagyan ko ulit to. I will put another kasi yung dalawa, naparami na yung kanin. Kain. It will not get the sauce if I fried it.
Yeah, but also they weren't Maris Piper, were they?
Yeah, iba kasi yung potato na to, guys, eh. Be careful na ka. O, kumain ka marami.
I like the sauce.
It's like fiesta, guys.
Did you put that red stuff in the sauce?
What do you mean red stuff? Dami kong kanin. Dami kong kanin.
Annatto seeds?
I know.
Is that what they're called?
This, you know what sauce I put in? Oh yeah, annatto seeds, babe, but it's not annatto seed. You know what I put here? I put soy sauce. And then half of bolognese tomato sauce.
Really?
And then tomato puree.
Oh, you're using my tomato puree.
And then lemon. 2 lemons. Naalala daw ni Adrian yung ano guys, yung Pilipinas, yung sa amin. Kasi ano, kalasa nga naman to, ng gawa ng nanay ko tsaka ng ate ko. Sarap.
So nice.
Yeah.
Did you know they're doing a new Harry Potter?
Really?
I think
Same.
it's the same guy, yeah.
Really?
Did you know that Mummy is Generation X?
Really? Who comes first? Generation Y?
I guess so, yeah, because it's Generation X, Millennial, and then Z.
What your generation?
Millennial. You're out Generation Alpha or something.
Yeah.
So what generation are you guys? Let us know.
Yeah, guys. What generation are you? Mommy is Generation X, Gen X. And Daddy?
Millennial.
Millennial. And Riona?
Alpha.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our video and our asado dinner tonight. It is 7 PM na guys, pero maliwanag pa sa labas. Para lang sa Pinas, parang ano lang to, alas 5, ganun, o 4. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Salamat sa mga bago naming subscribers at mga luma naming subscribers. Thank you all. Bye-bye.